Welcome. In this video, you'll discover how to add a profile picture to your page on the Facebook app using your PC, all with the latest update. Whether you're creating a new business page or giving your current one a fresh new look, having the right profile picture will make a huge difference in how your visitors see you. Let's jump straight into the steps. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in so you have access to all your pages. At the top of your Facebook homepage, you'll notice your current profile photo. Click on it. This will bring up a list of your pages and profiles. Next, select the page where you want to update the profile picture. Once you're inside your page, look for your profile picture area. It might show a default image if you haven't set one yet. Click directly on your profile picture. A menu will pop up. Choose the option, Choose Profile Picture. Then, click on Upload Photo. Now, a window will open allowing you to browse your computer for the perfect picture. Pick the image you want to use. Once you've found it, click Open. Your selected photo will start uploading to Facebook. After the upload, you'll get the chance to make some edits. Here, you can reposition the image, zoom in or out, and even add some final touches to ensure it fits perfectly within the profile frame. Take a moment to adjust your photo so it truly represents your page. When you're satisfied with your edits, simply click Save. That's it. Your new profile picture is now live on your page, giving it a more professional and appealing look. Updating your profile picture is a simple but powerful way to make your page stand out and connect with more followers. Thanks for watching, and enjoy updating your Facebook page.